Interacting with teachers. Hello everyone, I am Pramila, working as Functional English and Life Skills Trainer in AGHS Narsimhapuram, Chintur, East Godavari district. First of all, you should know the meaning of interaction. Interaction means communication or direct involvement with someone or something. Here you can see the picture. In this picture, the student and teachers and both are interacting with each other. You must know the way how to interact. In our daily life, you may interact with many people. You may interact with your parents, teachers, sisters, brothers, and relatives, etc. Interaction with them is different from interaction with teacher, is it? Yes. So you should know the difference. Talking to teachers can be scary for children, but it can be simple and even enjoyable if one knows how to do it in right way. In this slide, you are going to see how to do it in the right way. First point, be an active participant during class. What is active participation? It means asking good questions, participating in discussions, and staying off electronics. You should ask questions after completion of the lesson, and you should participate in discussions and staying off your mobiles. And suppose if teacher asks any question in the class, don't sit silently. By giving answer and responding quickly also shows active participation. Second one, frame questions. It means ask questions, take feedback from your teacher, or ask suggestions, or you can ask your areas of improvement in your performance. You can ask, can you explain what I need to improve for next time, ma'am? Like that. Okay? Third point, never confront or correct a teacher in front of other students. Do so privately, before or after school. Try to avoid between classes, as another class is coming in and a rushed atmosphere is not conducive to discussion. When in doubt, just be respectful. They don't know when you are going through a hard time, just like they sometimes go through rough patches themselves. If something your teacher said or did bothered you, let them know so that they can do what they can to fix it. Also tell them when you really liked a lesson. It gives them feedback and let them know what works. When you talk to teachers, it really works in your favor, definitely. Yeah, in this picture, you can see students interacting with each other and they participating in discussions. It is showing active participation in the class. This picture is from our school only. Talking to teachers. Talking politely with the teacher. You should talk politely and very obediently with the teacher. You should not speak like as you speak with your friends. You should talk very politely. Never scream or shout while speaking to anybody. Even in a bad mood, you never shout at others. You never show your emotions. You should not laugh loudly. You should not talk loudly. You never change your tone of voice at any time. You never have to change your behavior in any mood. Third one, greet by saying hello, good morning, etc. It is minimum duty for a student. If teacher is in a meeting, if you want to talk to her, go and greet by saying hello or good morning, and then you can talk with her. Do not interrupt or talk in between when teachers are talking. If teacher is with her colleagues, Don't disturb her. If you want to talk to her, wait for some time. After that, you can talk to her. If a teacher is not able to hear, go closer and talk. Sometimes our teacher may not be able to hear you, so go close and talk. If you want to share your personal issues, go closer and talk. Do not ignore a teacher saying. Teacher always thinks from students' point of view only. They give advices, suggestions. So keep them in your mind and follow them. Last point, always respond if a teacher is asking anything. Response is very important. It's your responsibility. By giving answers if she asks anything, respond very quickly. Whether it is right or wrong. Okay? Today you learn how to interact, how to talk, how to behave with the teachers. I hope you all understand this. Thank you.